Hello and welcome to our day one wrap of Asian Athletics Championship 2025, which started today in Gumi, South Korea. And what a thrilling start it has been for India. India today clinched two medals, one gold and one bronze, and we will start with the bronze, Servin Sebastian, who clinched the bronze today in the 20-kilometer race walk with a timing of 20-kilometer with a timing of 1 hour 21 minute and 13.60 seconds, and he opened India's medal account with a stunning bronze today, and he clinched his first international medal also today in the Asian Athletic Championship. He was exceptionally good, and he became just the eighth Indian ever to get a medal in this 20-kilometer race walk event at the Asian Athletic Championship. What a performance it has been. Then comes to the 400 meters men. And in the 400 meters men, there was Vishal TK and Jayakumar. Both started in the heats and done exceptionally good to qualify in the semi-final 1 and 2. And in the semi-finals, where Jayakumar narrowly missed the finals, Vishal TK clocked his personal best and marched into the finals. In the 400 meter women, uh, uh, from Indian side, there was Rupal and Vidya Ramraj. Rupal has been exceptionally good, and in her heat, Rupal clocked 53 seconds and topped the heat and qualified for the finals very easily, and also which is followed by the Vidya Ramraj as well, and she secured the second in her heat with a timing of 53.32. Both women out through the final and look all set to challenge for the podium. In the 1500 meter men, India's Yunus Khan was there. He finished second in his heat and qualified for the finals of Asian Athletics Championship in 1500 meter very easily. He has been exceptionally good this year. He's won gold in national games and also clocked his lifetime best in the Federation Cup. This happened in the Kochi 3 minute 41.93 second. But today his timing was 3 minute 46 second 9.96 second in the heat. I mean, he is doing exceptionally good. If he's doing some same time this kind of timing in the heats, he is expected to go to do good in the finals. And then comes to the one of the anticipated event, which was javelin throw women final. Annu Rani was there, India's veteran was there, and she disappointed a bit to the Indian fans. He finished outside of the podium, where China's Ling Dam won the gold with a throw of 63 meter, 63.29 meter. Anu Rani, who participated in the women javelin throw finals, uh, finished fourth with her best attempt of 58.30 meter, just 1 point something, just a few seconds left behind from the medal, and she's yet to reach the 50-meter mark. And this season, I mean, 2025 is not going so good for Anu Rani. She won the Asian Games gold medal in 2023. She has Asian Championship medal, but this time I think the veteran is not looking in good shape. After that, we will talk about the Gulbir Singh, Nayab Subedar Gulbir Singh, who actually gave India a golden start. He won India's first gold in the Asian Athletics 2025 Championship in Gumi, Korea, and Gulbis lived up to the expectation. He won the gold medal in the men 10,000 meter race, and he finished first. And in the starting, it was believed that there was few competitors. I mean, from the Bahrain, Albert Kivichi rope. He has done exceptionally well in the past at the Asian level in the 10,000 meter, and it was believed that there will be tough competition between India's Gulbir Singh and Kivichi, but Gulbir edged past him, and Japan's Suzuki as well in the last lap. I mean, it was a stunning last lap where Gulbir clinched, won the race and clinched the medal, and he became the third Indian to clinch gold medal in the 10,000 meter race at the Asian Athletic Championship. And I mean, he has done exceptionally well in this season. Talk about 10,000 meter, talk about 5,000 meter. He holds a national record in both categories, and in the invitational tournament this year, in the indoor tournament, he has done exceptionally well. So Gulbir Singh is now the man who is actually leading. He's a leading runner of India's 10,000 meter and 5,000 meter long distance running, and he's exceptionally good. Then comes to the decathlon. uh, Tejasvi Shankar was there. Tejasvi also, has been good form. He finished the decathlon in the 5 event at the first place, and Tejaswini started his decathlon challenge with 100 meter. Uh, where he finished third and gained 817 points in the long jump. Finished first with a jump of 7.28. In the short put, finished second with a throw of 13.79 meters. And in the high jump, he finished first with a high jump of. It is his first event, pet event. So he crossed the bar and he finished high jump with a 2.19 meter. Did exceptionally good. Also, not his personal best in high jump, but uh, he has done pretty well so far and gained the most point, 982 points there. And in the 400 meter, he finished second with the 50.10 with a timing of 50.10 and gained 800 points. And with that, today combined, he scored 4,205 points. Is currently at the top, and we can hope that he can get a gold medal tomorrow in the 1500 meter. Coming, what will be tomorrow? Who will be in the action tomorrow from the Indian side? So from there, I mean, if we talk about it will, it will, the day will start with decathlon. Jayashree Shankar will be participating in other events that he will participate in 100 meter 110 meter hurdles, discus throw, pole vault, and javelin throw. And in the end, he will be there in the 1500 meter. And after that, it will be decided that who's going to clinch medal in decathlon. Tejaswin right now is on the top, and he's a contender. He's a potential contender for the medal. The eyes will be on the India's long jump women qualification also. Sally Singh and Nancy Sozen was there. Then in the 100 meters hurdle, uh, heat one, India's hurdle queen Jyoti Arazi will be there, and she has won gold medal in the Bangkok as well, and she is one of the best hurdlers in Asia, not only in India. Jyoti will be there. She will be looking to qualify for the finals. Then in the triple jump men final, there will be Abdullah Abubakar and Praveen Chitravel. Praveen has done exceptionally good in both national games and Federation Cup, where he won the gold medal. So it will be interesting to see a competition between the Indian as well. I mean, Abdullah was there, although Praveen qualified for the World Athletic Championship with his exceptionally good performance in the Federation Cup. Abdullah will also try to hustle to get some qualification. He will try to get his fish in the road to Tokyo for that. And in the men's final, Vishal TK, who did his personal best today, will be up against some of the best in Asia in the 400 meter. Rupal and Vidya Ramraj also will be there in the women final. And after that, you will see Yunis Khan, Unisa participating in 1500 meter final. And last time Ajay Kumar Saroj has clinched a gold medal in Asian Athletic Championship in 1500 meter final. So all eyes will be on Unisa. And in the women 1500 meter final, Pooja and Lily Das will be there. And in the 10,000 meter, today Sebastian won the bronze, but I'm talking about the 10,000 meter women, which will be on tomorrow. And India's Sanjeevani Jadhav and Seema will be there. And in the end, India's 4 into 400 mixed relay will be in action. And Vishal and Rupal both are the part of the 400 mixed team. So it will be interesting to see that how they are going to manage the load and timings and everything, that because they will play. They are set to prove his medal in 400 meter. Then they will participate in the mixed as well. So 4 into 400 meter. It is believed that this is a potential event for India where we can win a gold medal. So it is going to interesting to see. And with that, uh, the India's campaign tomorrow will be concluded. So I mean. Keep following. Keep an eye on Asian Athletics, and keep following us. Like, share, and subscribe, and do follow us for the quick updates on the Asian Athletic Championship and all the other sports as well. That Rip Sport team uh, is covering every kind of sports, and we are one of the best platforms to cover sports. Thank you, everyone. Keep watching.